People, Pete Arnold. I'm just on my way to fill up my feeders, and I just thought I'd do a little video just to let people know what I'm up to. If you're getting me properly, yeah, that's it. Yeah, I've got a bag of goodies for the birds. Basically, I've got fat balls, grain, mealworm, peanuts. So when I get there, I will set this little Osmo of mine up so that you can observe me as I fill them up, and then hopefully we're going to get some film of the birds. Well, not video. I'm going to get my camera out and we'll take some pictures, and then on the end of this video hopefully I can stick some shots of the birds on there. Right, I'll turn this off for a minute while I get there. I've got some awkward ground to get over, so I'm just going to turn it off for a minute. Right, here we are, we're here. It's a bit wet underfoot. I'll just get a bit nearer and then I'll turn you around so you can see. Oh, you can probably hear it. It's very, very wet. There's a good thing about that, it keeps the squirrels out. The squirrels don't go anywhere near it. They don't like the water. Right, I'm just going to turn this around so you can see, and so you know where we're heading. Come on, turn round. That's it. That's where we're heading. There's my feeding station. We'll get there, we're going to feed it all up, put the fat balls in, fill the grain feeders up. I've also got some fruit, because down here we have got the ring-neck parakeets, and they're quite partial to a bit of fruit. So I'm going to settle this down in a minute so you can see. I'll just stop this for just for a second and we'll get sorted out and get it settled. Hopefully you can see and hear everything. I'm just going to start filling the feeders up. We've got which one are we going to do first? We'll do the grain. Do one of these first. I think we'll do this fat ball one first here. Fat ball, like I said, the good thing about this water is keeping the squirrels away at the moment, but it will, in the summer it will dry out, and then we'll probably have a problem with them, because they are a nuisance. They eat everything, anything and everything. No rest for the wicked. Yeah, there we go. Right, one, 2, 3, 4 fat balls, 4 in there. Put that back up. That's it, get that back in there. You're going to go in. It's been a bit awkward, isn't it? That's it, this one, right. Oh, take this grain one off and fill this up. Grain feeder. Grain, where's the, oh, got a little cup to fill it up with. Any spillage, well, the littler birds will have that, the wrens and all the ground feeders, because there's quite a few coot and moorhen round here, and they'll have that as well. Yeah. And this is free, so you know you can do me a big favour by clicking on a like and subscribing and give me a bit of support. What we got, like I said, we got some apples. I'm going to put these on as well. I've got an apple on here, look. Put these on here. That's it, one on there. Ooh. That's it, the ring necks are like them. They're parakeets. Yeah. Got one on there. It helps them out, it's good for everybody. Put that in my pocket. Take my rubbish away with me. Alright, let's have a look at what we're doing next. I'll do that peanut one next, I think. Yeah. Peanuts next. Let's get that peanut one down. Let's get the other. Let's set this one off. I'll fill this one up. Needs a top up, doesn't it, this one? It's not empty, but it's not far off. It needs a good top up. Right, let's have a look. Where are we going with that? That's it. That's that one filled up. Onto the peanuts. Cool, that's tight. That's it, it's got it. That was a bit tight. That one. Right. Get some more peanuts in here. Fill this one up. Hey. Got it. Yeah, that's gone. That's it. There we go. And that's that done. Right. This little log over here, look, it's got holes drilled in it. So I'm now going to put some peanuts in there, and then we'll stick a fat ball over the top. That's it, stick a few peanuts in. A few peanuts, hopefully. So I've not seen them yet, I've heard them. I've not seen them yet, but I'm trying to get a woodpecker. Woodpeckers and jays. We've not seen them yet, but I live in hope that we will see them at some point. They will turn up. Right, let's get another fat ball. There we go. They do. They're a bit hard, but they do break up. That's it. Just want a bit. Just push it in there. Push it in there. And get the. Thing is, I do this for the woodpeckers, but I do get quite a few magpie down on these as well. The magpies like these. Oh, looking. Just looking where I am now. I don't know if you can catch me on the camera, but down here there's quite a few feathers, so I think there's a good chance that there's been probably a sparrowhawk down. He's probably had one of the little birds and he's used that as a plucking post. Oh, right, just empty the water out of this. It's got water in there. And we'll put that last little bit of fat ball in there. Right, we'll stick some peanuts and a few mealworm. Peanuts, where are you? There you are. A few peanuts in there. A few peanuts. Right. And mealworm. There doesn't seem to be many little birds around here at the moment. I'll chuck that one back in. That's it. That's it. Ooh. I've lost a load of mealworm. I've just spilt them. Not to worry, they'll get eaten up. That's it. Right. Now then, I've got more feeders over on the fence line. So I'm going to pop over there and feed them. Fill all them up. Right, that's that done. I think I might leave that running for a minute and just see if any birds turn up while I go and fill these other feeders. See if anything turns up while I'm away. And get that on the Osmo.